In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Drive. Whether you're storing important work documents, vacation photos, or collaborating on a project, knowing how to access Google Drive is essential. So let's dive right into it. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whatever you're comfortable with using regularly. Once you're there, go to the search bar, which is typically located at the top of the browser window. Type Google Drive into this bar. As you begin typing, you might notice a drop-down list with suggested search items appearing below. These suggestions can be really helpful if you want to speed up your process. Press enter and you'll be taken to a page full of search results related to Google Drive. Next, you'll notice a grid icon, also known as the app launcher, on the top right of your browser window if you're signed into your Google account. This icon is like your personal gateway to all of Google's services. Go ahead and click on this grid icon. It will reveal a drop-down menu displaying various Google apps, such as Gmail, Calendar, and Meet. Among these, you'll see the icon for Drive, usually a small triangular shape composed of green, blue, and yellow colors. Click on the Drive icon. This action will redirect you to the Google Drive homepage, where you'll see all your folders, documents, and any shared files at a glance. If it's your first time accessing Google Drive, or if you're not logged in, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account credentials. Make sure you use the account that has access to the files you need. Logging in ensures your files are kept secure yet easily accessible. Once you're inside Google Drive, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're new to it. On the left sidebar, you find options like My Drive, Shared with Me, and Recent to help you navigate within your files and folders easily. The search bar at the top allows for quick searching if you're looking for something specific. A handy tip, organizing your files within folders can assist with quicker navigation in future use and save you time when searching for documents or specific projects. And there you have it. You've learned how to access Google Drive with just a few simple steps. Once you're comfortable getting into Drive, you can start uploading files, creating new documents, and collaborating with others seamlessly. Hopefully you find this video helpful as you start or continue using Google Drive. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tip videos.